Hello children, in this class we will learn and write the uppercase letter A to E. Okay, now A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says A, elephant, like E, elephant. Okay, A apple, B ball, C cat, D dog, E elephant. Okay, now how to draw A? Slanting line, two slanting lines, then slipping line. In B, how to make standing line, then two semicurves. C, half semicurve like this. Okay, in D, one standing line, then half semicurve like this. In E, standing line, then three slipping lines are there. Okay, one slipping line, then small slipping line in the middle, then at the bottom again slipping line. Okay, now take out your copy, mention the date 2942020. In the middle you have to write look and write. Topic will be look and write. Okay, look and write. Exercise number 1. On the left corner you have to write classwork. Which letter is this? A for apple, B, C, D, E. Okay, now A. Now write A. Start from the upper red line, make two slanting line, then slipping line. Which? A. Which letter is this? 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 A. A. You also speak out. Now, which letter is this? B. Make a standing line, then two semicurve like this. Half semicurve, then again half semicurve like this. Standing line like this, then half semicurve like this, then again half semicurve like this. Standing line like this, half semicurve like this, then again half semicurve like this. B, B, B. B says B. Now C, half semicurve. Start from the upper red line. Okay, C. C for cat. C. C for cat. Now which letter is this? D. Make a standing line, then half semicurve. Remember that you have to start from the upper red line. Red line. Okay, standing line, then half semicurve. D. Which letter is this? D. D for dog. D for dog. Okay, D says D. Now E. Standing line, slipping line, then in the second line small slipping line, then again slipping line. E for elephant, E for elephant. Speak out. E for elephant, E for elephant. E. Say E, E. Now again you recall A, B, C, D, E. Thank you so much.